Brazil World Cup dreams have just been shattered by Croatia in penalty shootout. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV World Cup update, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. If it's the first time you're watching the program, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest report. We'll be right back. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV World Cup update. Brazil fans around the world right now have been left shocked and in total disbelief after Brazil dreamed of reaching the World Cup final 2022 in Qatar has just been shattered. The game, which was just held, which was watched by millions around the world, saw Brazil losing the World Cup and becoming one of the teams that would have been the favorite going into the finals. However, Brazil still remained dominant throughout the match itself, and with Croatia becoming victorious in penalty shootout. Neymar thought he had booked a place in the semi-finals for the five-time winners with a stunning extra-time effort illuminating the contest after a 90 minutes goalless match. The Croatians were perfect on the spot, scoring 4 out of 4 goals, which saw Brazil going down 2-4 goals. And fans right now, they have been left in total shock based on the result of this match after both teams put up a good fight. However, Croatia in the end were victorious in actually becoming the team that would stand to the test and actually put up the fight to the end. Not saying that Brazil did not do a good showdown. However, the penalty shootout is what really got the better of them. And as you know, Brazil has been World Cup champion for many times. However, I believe this one was more intense than any other World Cup that I've ever seen with Brazil playing in. And this is one of the most disappointing loss to Brazil, especially over there in Qatar, with millions of people tuning into their television set, with Brazil going into this match as the favorite contender and the one that many believe would have been victorious. And now the end result has left many in total disbelief and shock. However, the day goes on and more matches are to be held, and I believe that we're going to have more shockers such as these, as England is slated to play and a number of other countries are slated to play as well. However, who do you think will be World Cup champion 2022 in Qatar? Well, fingers crossed, we'll never know. But hats off to Brazil for putting up a wonderful fight, and hats off as well to Croatia for putting up the fight and putting up to the end. Brazil is my team, and Brazil was a team I was pushing for. However, Brazil is my team, and this was the team that I was actually pushing for and cheering for in the World Cup, so I've been left disappointed right now. Who will become victorious? We just have to wait and see. You can just drop it in the comment section now. Let me know how you feel about this match. Do you believe that Brazil put up a good fight? Do you believe that it was a penalty shootout that got the better of them? Or was it the match itself that they should have done more in instead of letting it go to penalty shootout? You can just leave it in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this match though. This is where we're going to leave this though. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV Entertainment update on the World Cup 2022 over there in Qatar. Peace out and have a blessed and productive day from the Links TV team.